Hello everybody. I crossed from Oregon into Washington, and I'm at the Bruceport State Park, and it's a small park, but it's pretty beautiful, and it's like on a cliff overlooking the Willapa Bay, and it's across the ocean. I'll show you. As you can see, this is a bay, and it's pretty big, and the ocean comes in, and in the morning, early morning, all this, it's all foggy, and you can't see a thing, but you can see it's very shallow, and yeah, it's quite interesting. So let me tell you. I'll show you my setting. That's where I am, surrounded by huge trees. My little tent dwarfed by the big trees. And let me tell you about Oregon and my experience. Oregon was just great, I have to say. Oregon was really beautiful, and I went through the mountain and the forest, across the coastal road, and the coast was very interesting. One thing that I noticed that it's kind of unusual for me is that all the little towns in the forest are like hidden by the trees. They don't cut trees. You can see that all the houses and shops are built around the trees. So you really see the community immersed in the forest itself, which is rather unusual. Then the coastal road is just the Pacific Highway. It's just quite amazing. Every turn you have another great landscape, long beaches, and yeah, it's one magnificent view, one after the other. Now that I crossed into Washington, I'm in the Olympic National Park. There is a large peninsula on the very northwest of United States, and it's like one big park, and I go, yes, as usual, one campground after the other. It's still rather cold. Yes, the only bad thing I had in Oregon in the last 4 or 5 days, it was always wet, and that with a tent doesn't make it easy, but still it was okay. And now I'm only 7 to 10 days away from my cousin's place, which is close to Seattle, and this state park is just gorgeous. Today I decided to rest, not riding, and just even walking around this little park. It's just beautiful. Anyway, I'll catch up with you next time, perhaps from my cousin's place. All the best to everybody.